Hey everyone, it's Karen from Mayfly Life. Today I'm just in the garden doing some spring planting. Stay tuned. Okay, quick video. Just coming out onto my deck. And I have got these guys acclimating to the sun. So I've got my beefsteak here, my regular cherry tomatoes, and my Manitoban. I've already planted, believe it or not, little radishes. And I've got some stuff planted and others not. Like these guys are way too early to go out into the garden, so not doing that yet. That won't come until later in May, along with my cucumbers. But everything else that I've got, like the leaf lettuce and the head lettuce and so forth, beets, onion, those are all cool weather crops. So I've been planting some already for that, and that was what, April 21st. Okay, right here, if you can see it, I've got some leaf lettuce right here growing in this pot, and then I've got a trellis up here, which is I've planted a few peas. And I think it needs to be watered a bit. Just a little bit, just to keep the soil nice and moist. And over here, I've done kale. They're, not kale, Swiss chard. So I'm just getting that all done. And then I've got here on my other container, I've got, oh, I'm out. I've got lettuce. This is leaf lettuce again. So that's what I've been doing. I've been setting seeds out for cool weather crops. It's good enough now to work the ground, so I can plant seeds, and that's good. So I've got two varieties of Swiss chard growing. I've got Bright Lights, and this one is, I believe it's ruby. Yeah, ruby red. Yeah, it's ruby red. I double checked to make sure. So I've got this here, and in my other, in my ground garden, I've got more starting to grow. Okay, haven't started spring cleanup yet. No point yet. Plus two, I'm getting used to working again. And I'm working up like a part-time job, but that's about the size of it. Right now I'm working full-time hours right now just to get trained up. But here in my big square bed, I've got all along this edge, and that edge, I've got red onions. I've planted bulb sets, and then I've got 3 rows of the Bright Lights kale in this bed. Here I've got, again, this is head lettuce, but I'm not really going to grow it out to heads. I might grow 1 or 2, but I'm more for the leaves themselves. And then I've got bunching onion. And in this bed, I have carrots, tenderlongs, but I'm going to be getting a few more varieties of carrots because we love carrots. Here I've still got to dig the ground and get it all done. My chive is coming up. I haven't the foggiest idea what that is. That looks like parsley, maybe? I can't even remember what I planted here last year. Of course, this is my time. And not sure, but I think the rosemary has had it. So, but this bed has to get turned over. What precisely I'm going to be planting in there, I'm not sure. I was thinking about brassicas, namely broccoli, or cabbage, one of the two. I don't know, I'm not sure. But I'm actually thinking more so in this bed, cabbage or broccoli, because I have, oh, nope, I can't. That's right, because I've got garlic right there. So yeah, but garlic is growing. It's really they're starting to get really big. So I'm getting really, really excited. So I didn't plant a lot in the fall, but next year, like next fall, like this coming fall, I'll probably be doing a huge huge amount because I love garlic. But I'll be building 2 or 3 more beds, ordering more soil. And actually, because I've got tons of tomatoes and I need to grow my indeterminate, which is my actually my cherry tomatoes, in beds like this, which will probably be here. And then a lot of them are like my beefsteak, which are bush variety, and their determinants will go in containers along with my Manitoban tomatoes. So there you go. Actually, the yard doesn't look too bad this year. We now that we have a tractor that bags everything. We have a bagger on the back of it. It's not too bad. This spring is like, look at the fire pit area. It's so much cleaner this year than it was last. So we have a lot more tools now that will help us tackle such a large yard. So yeah, this is going to be good. But this is the extent of what I've been growing. I started actually the 21st of April, and today's the 22nd. And I'm doing all my cool weather crops right now. And hopefully everything will be coming up soon, and I'll be able to show you more of what I'm doing. Okay. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.